Welcome to my Sparkle Tree tutorial. First, position the hand correctly and move the tree layer to the top. Use the Object Selection tool to click on the tree. Then switch to the Lasso tool with the Add to Selection option enabled. Ensure the feather is set to 0 pixels and add the grass part that will fit in the hand to the selection. Create a mask layer and move the tree into place. Click on the layer mask icon and grab your brush. Opt for the normal round brush. Adjust the brush size to 50 pixels and hardness to around 66%. Hold Command or Control and click on the hand layer icon, then paint in the selection using white to reveal and black to conceal. Remove the selection by pressing Command or Control and D. Continue refining the grass area, adjusting the brush size as needed. Next, select the bottom layer and create a new fill layer by clicking on the solid circle icon below. Choose the gradient option and select a gradient. For this tutorial, I'll go with this one. Ensure the tree layer is selected, not the mask. Go to Image, Adjustments, Exposure. Slightly increase the exposure and decrease the offset. Burn the grass with the Burn tool. Set the range to midtones, focusing on the edges and adding shadows where necessary. Now, add a new layer using the small square plus icon under your Layers panel. Get your butterfly brush. If you can't find it, click the Window tab at the top and select Brushes. Adjust the brush settings by changing the size to around 35 pixels, enabling shape dynamics with size jitter at 30% and angle jitter at 20%, as well as scattering set to around 210%. In the Brush Tip Shape tab, adjust the spacing to about 80% and select white as your brush color. Click and drag to place butterflies as desired. Switch to the hand layer and use the Burn tool to add shadows where needed. Create a new layer, reset the brush settings, and select a round brush with a size of around 50 pixels. Generate random glows behind the tree for added effect. Let's add some sparkles. Click on the tree layer, create a new layer, tick the brush settings again. Use a brush size of 22 pixels to scatter random sparkles over the tree. For a more dramatic effect, add larger sparkles. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I can't wait to design with you in the next one.